Once upon a time in a quaint village, there resided a man with a purpose. This man found himself on a journey to another town for pressing matters. As the sun began its ascent, he embarked on the path leading to the neighboring town, winding through a dense forest that stretched before him. Emerging from a wooded expanse, the vibrant hues of evening painted the sky, indicating the passage of time. To enter the town, the man had to traverse a river, knowing that the city gate on the opposite bank would seal its entrance after sunset, a deadline looming ever closer. Undeterred, the man pressed forward, his anticipation growing with each step. Yet, the path ahead was fraught with challenges, including a dense forest and the impending closure of the city gate. As fate would have it, his journey took an unexpected turn when he discovered a boatman patiently waiting on the riverbank. Seizing the opportunity, the man hastened into the boat, urgently imploring the boatman to row swiftly, mindful of the imminent gate closure. Sharing the boat was a serene Buddhist monk, also bound for the town on the opposite shore. As the boat set sail, the river's expanse lay before them, a tranquil yet time-consuming passage to their destination. The man's impatience, fueled by the setting sun, prompted him to urge the boatman to quicken their pace. The monk, in stark contrast, maintained his composure, advising the man to embrace patience. "My friend, impatience may hinder more than it helps. The journey demands a steady pace," the monk calmly remarked. The man, puzzled by the monk's advice, questioned its wisdom, emphasizing the urgency of reaching the town before the gate closed. The monk, unfazed, offered a profound insight. "Friend, swiftness may not guarantee arrival, but patience ensures a sure and steady journey." This philosophy left the man perplexed, unable to grasp the wisdom behind the monk's words. After a considerable duration, the boat reached the opposite bank of the river. However, the town gate still lay ahead, and time was of the essence. The man, fueled by urgency, leaped from the boat and sprinted toward the city gate. In his haste, a cruel twist of fate awaited him. An unnoticed stone beneath his feet, a stumble, a fall, and injuries that now hindered his progress. Bleeding and unable to stand, the man lay helpless as the city gate began its descent. The monk, displaying compassion, assisted the fallen man, offering solace and aid. The gate, indifferent to the man's plight, sealed shut, leaving him on the outskirts of the town. The monk, true to his teachings, guided the injured man to a nearby village, providing first aid and sustenance. As night fell, the monk shared his reflections with the man. "My friend, hastening towards success may blind us to the perils that lie ahead. Patience and a steady journey often yield more enduring triumphs." The wisdom in the monk's words resonated with the man, who now understood the significance of pacing oneself in the pursuit of success. Reflecting on this tale, we find parallels in our own lives. Success, often sought in haste, may be fleeting and prone to errors. The desire for instant gratification can lead to stumbling blocks that impede progress. Much like the man's journey, a steady and patient approach to our goals ensures a more lasting and fulfilling achievement. In a world that often emphasizes speed and immediacy, it's essential to recognize the value of patience and persistent effort. Success is not solely about the swiftness of the journey, but about the resilience and dedication invested along the way. As we navigate our paths, let us embrace the teachings of this timeless story, understanding that true success is a product of steady progress and unwavering determination. Thank you for joining us on this reflective journey. May your pursuits be guided by patience and met with enduring success.